you can pick an approach which says we're going to use Fire as the internal model for all of our data, and we're going to normalize all of our data into Fire and take essentially a Fire first approach. And that's going to be very useful, particularly if you want to enable new data sharing and interoperability use cases where you want to have either external entities querying for member data or alternately applications that you're building that are Fire-based pulling data in. One of the challenges with that, though, is that Fire as a data model is not the best when it comes to analytics and doing, for example, population-based querying and looking at data in the aggregate. So a solution that you're going to need to then solve for, if analytics is important for you, is also then saying, okay, well, if we've got data in Fire for those transactional use cases, how are we going to deal with the analytics use cases? Now, you may have, for example, an already built EDW in your organization, which that data can be fed into, or you can work with a vendor like us. We also happen to have both sides of that that equation solved. We have the Fire piece, we have the analytics piece, and we have the ability to ingest that and keep those all in sync so that, for example, member data that arrives in Fire is available on a timely basis in analytics form as well. Which one of those you sort of make the first class citizen within your solution really comes down to what your strategic priorities are and what you want to put the strongest emphasis on.